Energy Development Corporation, or EDC, is the Philippines' leading renewable energy producer. For decades, EDC has powered the nation through geothermal energy, pushing the boundaries of sustainable power. Reliable performance is critical in geothermal power plants, but operators often face key challenges that impact efficiency and sustainability. The absence of steam flow sensors hinders monitoring of steam flow into the turbine. Interface steam flow meter readings can be inaccurate due to clogging, which may go unnoticed. In some cases, incorrect data is still used, leading to potential errors. Lack of visibility in turbine efficiency prevents energy conversion assessment. Predictive maintenance needs steam flow and efficiency metrics. Inefficient turbines causing emissions and environmental non-compliance. These challenges demanded a smarter, data-driven approach. To solve these challenges, EDC partnered with Calibr8 Systems to harness the power of data and advanced analytics. First, we integrated AVEVA PI system data into Seeq using existing connectors, establishing a real-time data foundation. Next, thermodynamic calculations were applied using Seeq's advanced formulas to compute critical values like saturation temperatures, enthalpy, entropy, steam quality, and exhaust enthalpy, supported by AI-assisted syntax. Turbine efficiency was then calculated using these derived values, giving operators real-time insights into performance. Finally, process data was visualized in AVEVA PI Vision, providing live monitoring capabilities for quick, informed decision-making. The results were transformative. Flow meter calibration improved data accuracy, giving operators confidence in their operational assessments. Plant efficiency was optimized by identifying and correcting discrepancies, enhancing energy production. Operational costs were reduced by avoiding unnecessary maintenance, thanks to better insights into unit performance. And in the long run, improved turbine efficiency led to lower steam flow consumption, increased power generation, reduced emissions, and ensured regulatory compliance.
Seeq has been instrumental in identifying inaccuracies in the interface steam flow meters readings and has greatly enhanced our ability to monitor real-time turbine efficiency, a critical element in plant performance. This gives us greater confidence and accuracy in our plant performance analysis.
Together, EDC and Calibr8 Systems are driving geothermal efficiency, ensuring reliable, sustainable power for the future.